Your home is not dirty because you do not clean enough. It is dirty because of when you clean. Most people clean reactively. The kitchen gets cleaned when it is visibly dirty. The floor gets vacuumed when you can see it needs it. The bathroom gets scrubbed when it becomes impossible to ignore. By the time any of these things happen, the job is always bigger than it needs to be. Japanese homes stay clean not because Japanese people spend more time cleaning. They spend less because they use one habit that changes when cleaning happens entirely. The habit is called soji. It means daily cleaning. Not a cleaning day, not a cleaning session. Daily cleaning, 3 minutes, at specific moments, every single day. Here is exactly what it looks like. After cooking, before leaving the kitchen, the stovetop gets wiped. Not later. Now, while the pan is still warm, before the grease has had any time to set, before anything has become a problem. 30 seconds, that is it. After showering, the shower walls get a single squeegee pass. One motion, top to bottom, across every surface that got wet. 45 seconds. That single action removes 90% of the soap scum and hard water buildup that makes shower cleaning a weekly ordeal. 90% gone, before you have even dried off. After brushing teeth, the sink gets a 30-second wipe. Not because it looks dirty. Because toothpaste residue left on a porcelain sink for a week is a problem. Toothpaste residue wiped away immediately is nothing. Before leaving any room, anything that does not belong in that room gets returned to where it does belong. Not everything. Just what you can see. Just what is obviously out of place. 30 seconds. None of these actions feel like cleaning. They are too small to feel like anything. But that is precisely the point. Because collectively, practiced every single day without exception, they prevent the accumulation that turns small maintenance into large intervention. The stovetop grease you wipe off in 30 seconds today is a 20-minute scrubbing project if you leave it for a week. The shower you squeegee every morning may never need a deep clean at all. The sink you wipe daily never becomes the sink you dread. This is not discipline. This is timing. Now let me explain why this works at a level most cleaning advice never reaches. There's a principle in Japanese work culture called kaizen. It means continuous improvement through small, consistent actions. Not dramatic change. Not a complete overhaul. One small improvement, sustained forever. Applied to cleaning, kaizen produces something counterintuitive. The home that is cleaned for 3 minutes every day is cleaner than the home that is cleaned for 3 hours every week. Not slightly cleaner, significantly cleaner. Because the 3-hour clean addresses what has already accumulated. The 3-minute daily habit prevents the accumulation from happening. These are not the same activity. One is recovery. The other is maintenance. Recovery is always harder than maintenance. Always more time, always more effort. Always more resistance. The 2-minute rule. If a cleaning task takes 2 minutes or less, do it now, not later, is the operational version of this principle. And the research behind it is straightforward. Habit formation studies consistently show that small actions attached to existing routines embed faster and sustain longer than large actions scheduled as separate events. Wiping the stovetop after every cook requires no motivation because it is attached to cooking, which already happens. Squeegeeing the shower after every shower requires no scheduling because it is attached to showering, which already happens. The action piggybacks on a habit that is already automatic. It becomes automatic itself within 2 to 3 weeks. A cleaning day, by contrast, requires motivation. It requires scheduling. It requires a block of time that competes with everything else in your life. It gets skipped, and when it gets skipped, the accumulation continues. And when the accumulation continues long enough, the cleaning day becomes a cleaning project, and the cleaning project gets skipped too. This is the cycle most households are trapped in, not because people are lazy, because the system they are using creates conditions that guarantee failure. The Japanese home does not have a cleaning day. It has a cleaning moment after every activity that creates mess. The moments are small. They add up to a home that is always ready. Now there is one more layer to soji that almost every explanation leaves out. And this is the part that separates people who try this for a week from people who practice it for life. In Japan, the practice of daily cleaning originates in Zen Buddhist tradition. Monks clean their temples every single morning. Not because the temples were dirty, because the act of cleaning was considered a form of attention, a way of relating to the space you inhabit, a declaration that the space matters. When you wipe a surface, you are not performing a chore. You are tending to something. That distinction between a chore and tending changes the psychological relationship with cleaning entirely. A chore is something you owe, tending is something you give. A chore requires motivation to start. Tending requires only the habit of attention. The homes that feel genuinely calm and well-kept are almost always the homes of people who tend rather than owe, not because they spend more time, because the time they spend is given rather than extracted. When you wipe your stovetop for 30 seconds after cooking, you are not paying a debt to your kitchen. You are giving 30 seconds of care to the space where you feed yourself. That is a fundamentally different act, and it feels different. Which is why people who adopt this habit tend to keep it. Not because it saves time, although it does, because it changes how the home feels to live in. A home that is tended feels different from a home that is managed. It feels like somewhere that is looked after, which, when you spend most of your life inside it, matters more than most people realize until they experience the difference. Here's how to start. Pick one moment. Just one. The place in your home that accumulates the fastest. The surface that bothers you most when it is dirty. Attach one action to the activity that creates the mess. After cooking, wipe the stovetop. After showering, squeegee the walls. After eating, clear the table before you leave it. Do that one thing every single day for 2 weeks. Do not add anything else for 2 weeks. Let it become automatic. Then add one more, that is soji. That is how a home stays clean without a cleaning day. Not more cleaning. Better timing. And once you have lived inside a home that is tended rather than managed, you will not want to go back.